Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome language on iPhone. Google Chrome on an iPhone uses the same language as your phone system. That means you do not change the language inside the Chrome itself. You change it through your iPhone settings. First, unlock your iPhone and open the setting app. Scroll down and tap on the general. Next, tap language and region. Now tap on iPhone language. Choose the language you want to Chrome to use. Tap the language to learn and wait for your iPhone to update. Once done, Google Chrome will open in the new language. If it doesn't want to change your entire phone language, you can change Chrome only. For that, go to the settings, scroll down and tap Chrome. Tap on language, select a perfect language, then close Chrome and reopen it. Now Chrome will now use the language while the set of your phone stays the same. Chrome does not have a built-in language switch inside the app. The app language follows iOS language setting. Restarting Chrome helps you change applies faster. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.